Welcome to YoYo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers. In this video we will learn about 50 wild animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Lion. This is the lion. It has a big mane and loud roar. It lives in the jungle and is very strong. Elephant. This is the elephant. It has big ears and a long trunk. It lives in the forest and loves water. Tiger. This is the tiger. It has orange fur with black stripes. It lives in the jungle and walks quietly. Bear. This is the bear. It has thick fur and strong paws. It lives in the forest and loves honey. Zebra. This is the zebra. It has black and white stripes. It lives in the grasslands and runs fast. Giraffe. This is the giraffe. It has a very long neck. It lives in Africa and eats leaves from trees. Monkey. This is the monkey. It swings on trees and makes funny sounds. It lives in the forest and loves bananas. Fox. This is the fox. It has red fur and a bushy tail. It lives in the woods and is very smart. Wolf. This is the wolf. It looks like a dog and howls at night. It lives in the forest and hunts in packs. Leopard. This is the leopard. It has spots and climbs trees. It lives in jungles and runs very fast. Crocodile. This is the crocodile. It has big teeth and a long tail. It lives in rivers and swims well. Tortoise. This is the tortoise. It has a hard shell and walks slowly. It lives on land and loves sunny spots. Snake. This is the snake. It has no legs and slides on the ground. It lives in forests and hides in grass. Kangaroo. This is the kangaroo. It has strong legs and jumps high. It lives in Australia and carries babies in a pouch. Raccoon. This is the raccoon. It has a mask on its face. It lives in forests and climbs trees. Squirrel. This is the squirrel. It has a fluffy tail and loves nuts. It lives in trees and moves fast. Deer. This is the deer. It has big eyes and pretty antlers. It lives in the forest and runs fast. Camel. This is the camel. It has a hump on its back. It lives in deserts and stores water. Wild boar. This is the wild boar. It looks like a pig with tusks. It lives in the jungle and digs the ground. Rhino. This is the rhino. It has thick skin and a big horn. It lives in the grasslands and walks slowly. Cheetah. This is the cheetah. It has black spots and runs the fastest. It lives in Africa and chases animals. Jackal. This is the jackal. It looks like a small wolf. It lives in forests and howls at night. Frog. This is the frog. It has big eyes and jumps high. It lives near water and says, "Ribbit, ribbit." Alligator. This is the alligator. It has a big mouth and sharp teeth. It lives in water and moves slowly. Warthog. This is the warthog. It has tusks and short legs. It lives in Africa and likes mud. Hedgehog. This is the hedgehog. It has tiny spikes on its back. It lives in gardens and rolls into a ball. Bat. This is the bat. It has wings and flies at night. It lives in caves and sleeps upside down. Chimpanzee. This is the chimpanzee. It looks like a monkey and is very smart. It lives in trees and plays a lot. Peacock. This is the peacock. It has shiny feathers and a long tail. It lives in forests and dances in rain. Ostrich. This is the ostrich. It is the biggest bird and can't fly. It lives in dry lands and runs fast. Wild turkey. This is the wild turkey. It has big feathers and a red neck. It lives in forests and walks in groups. Wild cat. This is the wild cat. It looks like a big house cat. It lives in woods and hunts alone. Mountain goat. This is the mountain goat. It has horns and climbs rocks. It lives on mountains and likes grass. Bison. This is the bison. It has a big head and thick fur. It lives in grasslands and walks slowly. Hyena. This is the hyena. It laughs loud and has strong jaws. It lives in Africa and hunts in packs. Badger. This is the badger. It has short legs and sharp claws. It lives underground and is very brave. Hare. This is the hare. It looks like a big rabbit. It lives in fields and runs fast. Chipmunk. This is the chipmunk. It has stripes and puffy cheeks. It lives in trees and stores food. Swan. This is the swan. It has white feathers and a long neck. It lives near lakes and swims gracefully. Jungle fowl. This is the jungle fowl. It looks like a colorful chicken. It lives in forests and makes loud sounds. Whale. This is the whale. It is big and lives in the ocean. It swims fast and splashes water. Dolphin. This is the dolphin. It's smart and jumps from water. It lives in oceans and loves to play. Shark. This is the shark. It has sharp teeth and lives in the sea. It swims fast and likes deep water. Penguin. penguin. This is the penguin. It wears a black and white coat. It lives on ice and waddles cute. Wild dog. This is the wild dog. It lives in groups and barks loud. It runs in the wild and hunts animals. Wild ant. This is the wild ant. It is small and very strong. It lives in the ground and works hard. Llama. This is the llama. It has soft fur and long neck. It lives in hills and carries loads. Wild horse. This is the wild horse. It runs fast and has strong legs. It lives in open lands and moves in herds. Gaur. This is the gaur. It looks like a big cow. It lives in Indian forests and eats grass.